Hey, welcome to Bathnet's Farmhouse. So today we're going to be making a goat milk soap, a Valentine's Day inspired goat milk soap. Alright, now that that's all mixed up, we're going to weigh off a portion for our frosting. Alright, we got a portion for our frosting weighed off, and we're going to add a little bit of titanium dioxide dispersed in some water. We're also going to add some velvet pearl mica just to give it a little bit of a shimmer, and we'll mix this up and set this off to the side. Back to our main container, we're going to add in the Bite Me fragrance oils from Nature's Garden Candle. I think, yeah, to me it smells like fruit punch. We're just gonna slowly mix this in by hand first. Alright, now we're going to split our batch off into 3 different colors here. In our main batch, we're going to use the velvet pearl and titanium dioxide. In this container, we're going to have the really red mica. And in this container, we're going to be using the raspberry red mica. Alright, let's get that blended up from lightest to darkest. I'm just going to scrape down the sides here, try to make sure everything's incorporated, knock out any air bubbles that could have gotten in my soap from blending it up. When you're working with smaller soap batches, it's a lot easier to incorporate air bubbles in, I have found. Today I'm going to be doing an in the pot swirl with these 3 colors. I'll leave the top bit to scrape out on top here. Excuse my bucket. Alright, we got our 2-pound brambleberry mold here, and we're just gonna pour this in. Now that we have that in the mold, let's give it a tap. Now we're just gonna scrape out our other 2 containers here. Make sure to get every last little bit into the mold. Alright, well I cut out all that scraping because, well, that's just boring to watch. So let's see if our frosting is set up yet. Alright, our frosting has a nice consistency to it, so let's put it in the piping bag and pipe this soap. We are back to pipe this soap. This might be a little runnier than I like it to be. Let's see how this works out. So this is one of the first times I've made a video I have no idea what I'm doing, but my husband and my oldest daughter, who is 8, have been encouraging me to make some soap videos. Gotta say, I'm a little nervous about it. You see all these incredible people online making videos. That's one thing my 8-year-old and I like to do together, is watch other people make soap. But she kept saying, Mom, you should make some videos. You're really good at making soap. You should make some videos. So here I am. In the mental preparation of making videos, when you've never made one before, you seem to run all these different scenarios through your head, things you're going to talk about and stuff you want to do on camera. And then when you get on camera, you totally freeze up and you have no idea what you want to talk about. Alright, now that the piping is on, we're going to sprinkle with a little Super Sparkles glitter from Nurture Soap. Well, that just came out of there quickly, didn't it? And our last little thing we're going to add are these cute little heart-shaped embeds. I'm one of the worst at lining up my embeds to cut. Alright, now we're going to give this a spritz with the rubbing alcohol. And I will bring you in for a close-up. And here is what the soap looks like up close. We'll be back the next day to chop this up. Hello everyone, we are back the next day to cut this soap. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Cut off this end piece here for a sample. Look at that swirl. Thanks for watching!